Harijan Panchayat Committee HPC Sngi Saitjain kalapan por sakat Sngi naga Sorkar Jylla namar kidang kwah banyak kren bat iatai sani Khatduh katne kimat Shwa bikin shim kaba Khatduh halor jingthmu jong Sorkar pan pykynriah nohia kiba shong basa Them Iewmawlong kawei pat jaka bala pynkhreh daga Sorkar. Ya kani karai la shim Jylla bala lumdo chairman ka high level committee uba prestone tynsong rengkat ka lang usembut menteri rangba ka Jylla ba snyau bhalang dhar bopet ya katanat urban affairs nalor Khubor district bat kinongelam ka Harijan Panchayat Committee. Habakren bikila pathai Khubor usembut menteri rangba uba snyau bhalang dhar ulaong ba ka Sorkar ru kala menjur ya kate jingpan por Sngi jong ka Harijan Panchayat Committee.
A very positive and fruitful meetings with the Harijan Committee. And yes, there is slightly few more issues that are yet to be finalized with some of the higher organization as GPC. And we from the government side, we are agree we give them 15 days more time. And there will be no more discussion before that. And within 15 days, they will give a final decision, they'll communicate the government. So as of today meeting is a very positive thing. I would like to inform you. Yes, this session may be the last 2 days. We should be the last today, but since there is few issues, so the issue is very simple. They want to take everyone on board. So they request the government kindly give us at least 15 days from 2 days itself. So they will discuss some more higher organizations for this SGPT and SGPC. So then they will communicate the government whether positive or negative decision. But we are very hopeful it should be a positive decision. We haven't made any offer. We want them to say yes or no first for relocations. More issues to discuss between them. So within 15 days you will be getting a final decision. Yes, they are very much happy. Very much happy. They are very much happy with the blueprint. No more issues. Almost all issues has been discussed, which went in the right directions, obviously. And the issues is that they will please give us. We need some few higher organization, the Punjabi thing only. So we have to give them. So the time is fixed 15 days from today. No more, they may communicate it only. As there is a meeting, no problem, we can have meeting, but no more meeting beyond 15 days. Within 15 days will be finalized everything. Just count from 15 days once, maybe 26, 27 only. That is the date, I think. But a very positive meeting. We are very pleased to inform you. You see like this, the discussion between the government and the Harijan Committee, there will be no outsider will be listened to them. It's a purely discussion between the Harijan Committee and the government itself. It's totally their responsibility fully.